In this video, I want to talk about, can Qi Gong help you lose weight? So when I started Qi Gong, I was quite overweight and it did actually help me lose weight. So let's get into this video. Qi Gong can support weight loss, but it works in a gentle and indirect way rather than through intense calorie burning. That's important to remember. Qi Gong helps regulate the nervous system, reduce stress, and bring the body into a more balanced state. That's really important as well. Your body needs to be working properly for you to assimilate food properly, and you feel satiated and full, so the stress isn't driving you towards compulsive eating. This can support healthier eating patterns, improved sleep, and more stable energy levels, all of which play an important role in weight management. So you actually start to take back control of your mind, and your healthy eating patterns start to come in because you're starting to realize how amazing the body is when you practice Qi Gong. The movements themselves are slow and low impact, so the focus is not on burning large amounts of calories. I don't feel that weight loss is about calorie burning anyway. It's really about how your body is working. Instead, Qi Gong supports the body in function helps the body to function more efficiently, which can make it easier for weight to stabilize naturally over time. It is best seen as part of a balanced and sustainable approach to health. So that's what Qi Gong can do for your weight program, to keep yourself sustainably at your weight. This is what Qi Gong can do. It really helps to regulate your nervous system. So you get cortisol with stress and cortisol eating because you're trying to appease the stress through food, comfort eating, all that kind of stuff. Qi Gong will help you overcome all of that. Because it's where your mind goes, your energy follows. That's what Qi Gong does, and it really helps with your weight loss program. So if you're looking for something, an exercise form that doesn't take too much, Qi Gong is the answer for your weight loss program. So how do you get deeper with me? Let's have a look at that quickly. If you want to know a bit more about Qi Gong and how it works, you can go Qi Gong for Beginners. There's a guide there. If you click on the link around this video, you'll find this guide. The healing power of Qi Gong, that will take you to how our ancestors knew what modern science is telling us about today, about the body. That's incredible in itself. And I do run live online Qi Gong classes in the UK, 7 o'clock Thursday evenings, 11 a.m. Sunday mornings. It is international. I do have people tuning in all over the world, but you can tune in to the classes. So why Qi Gong for weight loss? Why is it good for weight loss? I had somebody join my classes about 6 months ago. She's lost 2 stone in weight. Another woman joined me about the same time. She's also lost 2 stone in weight. I don't know why 2 stone, that kept coming up, but incredible stuff. They lose weight. You see them coming into class and looking much more refined, as it were, with their body. And their mind is much more powerful on food. They're not eating the junk that they used to do. So they're starting to refine themselves. They're starting to focus on where their mind goes, their energy follows. So if your mind goes to bad food, you'll be eating bad food, you'll be putting on weight. But it helps you to address that. Qi Gong is such a powerful tool for you and your health and well-being. It should be in your health and well-being toolkit. You can join me, as I say, by clicking the link, coming back to the Bright Beings Academy. Look at the testimonials on the Bright Beings Academy site. There's many, many testimonials showing you how good this practice is. Just look at those testimonials and decide whether you want to get involved with Qi Gong or not. I would say do it for yourself. You're not doing it for me. I'm just a guide. I just guide people. I guide lots of people in my local area to help them get to their health and well-being. I'm just a guide, and I can guide you as well online if you want me to do that. All you've got to do is click the link around this video and join the membership. It's very reasonably priced as well, because I want more people to be able to afford it. There's another video coming up that answers more questions on Qi Gong. You can click on that now. I look forward to connecting with you in my next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.